Data scientist roles and responsibilities. What does a data scientist do? Data scientist roles and responsibilities include data mining or extracting usable data from valuable data sources, using machine learning tools to select features, create and optimize classifiers, carrying out preprocessing of structured and unstructured data, enhancing data collection procedures to include all relevant information for developing analytic systems, processing, cleansing, and validating the integrity of data to be used for analysis, analyzing large amounts of information to find patterns and solutions, developing prediction systems and machine learning algorithms, presenting results in a clear manner, propose solutions and strategies to tackle business challenges, collaborate with business and IT teams. Data scientist skills. You need to master the skills required for data scientist jobs in various industries and organizations if you want to pursue a data scientist career. Let's look at the must-have data scientist qualifications. Key skills needed to become a data scientist. Programming skills, knowledge of statistical programming languages like R, Python, and database query languages like SQL, Hive, Pig is desirable. Familiarity with Scala, Java, or C++ is an added advantage. Statistics, good applied statistical skills, including knowledge of statistical tests, distributions, regression, maximum likelihood estimators, etc. Proficiency in statistics is essential for data-driven companies. Machine learning, good knowledge of machine learning methods like k-nearest neighbors, naive Bayes, SVM, decision forests. Strong math skills, multivariable calculus and linear algebra. Understanding the fundamentals of multivariable calculus and linear algebra is important as they form the basis of a lot of predictive performance or algorithm optimization techniques. Data wrangling, proficiency in handling imperfections in data is an important aspect of a data scientist job description. Experience with data visualization tools like Matplotlib, ggplot, d3.js, Tableau that help to visually encode data. Excellent communication skills. It is incredibly important to describe findings to a technical and non-technical audience. Strong software engineering background. Hands-on experience with data science tools. Problem-solving aptitude. Analytical mind and great business sense. Degree in computer science, engineering, or relevant field is preferred. Proven experience as data analyst or data scientist.